You must be wondering why I have a USB-A to C cable running into this wonderful vest that has a power bank. Well, I got the heater and I am going to turn on the front of the heater. I long press the button. I'm on the highest setting. I'm going to turn on the other one, both of them at the same time. I'm running at the fullest power. I'm using an 8-zone vest. It is very comfortable flying. It's got heat on the back of the neck. It's got heat on the two fronts here, the two areas here, and on the back the same area. So I got 8 zones. If I want to, put the battery in its pocket on the inside right here, that's where it's going. I got 2 nice deep pockets, and they are zippable on the side. This comes in black. It's very soft. It's very cozy. It is not bulky at all. It zippers all the way up, and I didn't zipper it fully closed. Now I'm going to do that right now. So here I am, very comfortable indeed with the sweater, and I am nice and warm. Man, this thing is generating heat like you cannot imagine. So if I want to turn this on again, I hit the on button, and now we're on. If I want to change it to a medium level, I hit the white. If I want to go to the lowest level, I hit it again, I'm on blue. But say I want the back to be on the highest or the medium, I can do so. I'm going to get up and show you what it looks like. I take a large. It fits me nice and comfortable, and I can wear just about anything imaginable. If I want to warm my hands up, I got heat right in the hands over here on the insides. Right here, there's a patch. So I don't have to wear gloves, and I can keep my hands warm. I'm going to unzip this, show you what the insides look like. And you can see there is a pocket, not just for the power bank, but as well as your phone. But you may not want to put your phone inside the front pocket where heat is generated. This is the product inside. It's very smooth. You can see just the outlines of where some things are. It's got a nice design. And when you don't want to use the heat, you simply just press both of them. I do apologize when I got these incorrectly. This is for the back and this is for the front. The back has 3 zones according to the picture. The neck and there. On the front, according to the picture, it's 4 zones. On the top over here and on bottoms over here. Check online for further detail. You like going skiing? This will keep you warm. I'm feeling the heat getting off of my back still, and I am getting a little cooler as we speak. I have here is a battery. It's a 10,000 milliamp battery. If I wanted to take my phone, or let's say I have here is something else that is going to be charged, I plug in my power bank. I grab my phone, and I could take my phone and I could plug it in. And I could charge the unit, and you can see the amount of power. On the side, if I want to shut everything off, I have a button to do that. I could shut things down. You're given a USB-C cable to USB-A that you can simply go to your power source and charge your unit. 10,000 milliamps should last you up to 10 hours, depending on the amount of heat you're using. If you want to get another power bank, you can do so. You can put any power bank on, as long as it's the rated power bank. It's machine washable. When it's finished, you can take the vest on a hanger and hang it up to dry. When it's finished drying, you simply just grab the unit, And you can wear it as is. When you get cold, you're going to go get the battery and turn it back on. Now's the time to think about cold weather before winter hits. You want to get yourself one of these heaters. It plugs in. It's not hard to do. Just make sure you do it the right way. Press on the on button for your front or back and pick the temperature of your choice. Take your time zippering up and go have fun outdoors, keeping nice and warm. I hope you enjoy your vest. Very comfortable. An excellent gift for an adult, a young adult, a teenager, whoever needs to have someone out there with the heated vest. On that note, I thank you very much for viewing. I hope you have fun with yours.